Hi everyone, welcome to Leo's Chinese Kitchen. I'm Leo. Today we're making salt and pepper shrimp, a crispy, golden, savory dish that's absolutely irresistible. It's crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside, with that classic kick of salt, pepper, and a little aromatic spice. The best part? You can make it at home with just a few simple steps. For this dish, you will need about 400 grams of shrimp, peeled and deveined, with the tails left on if you like. A few slices of fresh ginger, a tablespoon of scallion wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper. For the coating, 2 large eggs, 1 heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. For frying, enough neutral oil like peanut or canola to deep fry. For finishing, salt and pepper mix. Grind together roasted salt and Sichuan peppercorns until fine. A pinch of chopped parsley. Step 1. Marinate the shrimp. Place your cleaned shrimp in a bowl. Add the ginger slices, scallion wine, soy sauce, black pepper, and salt. Mix well with your hand. Really rub the seasonings into the shrimp so the flavors absorb. Let this sit for 20 minutes. This short marination not only seasons the shrimp, but also helps remove any fishy taste and adds aroma. You will know the shrimp are ready when they turn slightly glossy. Step 2. Egg batter coating. In another bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. Whisk until you get a smooth, slightly thick batter. This mixture will create a light, crispy shell that locks in the juices. Now, take your marinated shrimp out of the bowl. Remove the ginger slices and dip the shrimp into the egg batter. Make sure each piece is completely coated. This step is crucial for achieving that golden crunching finish. Step 3. Frying the shrimp. Heat the oil to about 350 Fahrenheit, about 180 Celsius. That's around 70% hot if you test it with chopsticks and see steady bubbles rising. Gently lower the shrimp into the oil, one by one, so they don't stick together. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the outside turns golden. Don't overcrowd the wok. Work in batches if needed, so the oil temperature stays stable. Once they are golden, take them out and let them drain on a wet rag or paper towel. Now, here's the key step. Double frying. Bring the oil back up to the temperature, then fry the shrimp again for about 1 more minute. This second fry makes them extra crispy and ensures the coating doesn't get soggy. You will know they are perfect when the shrimp are firm, golden, and the shell gives a little crunch when tapped. Step 4. Seasoning and plating. Transfer the shrimp onto a serving plate while they are still hot. Sprinkle generously with your homemade salt and pepper mix. The combination of roasted salt and ground Sichuan peppercorns, this gives that iconic numbing, aromatic, and savory kick. Finally, sprinkle over a pinch of chopped parsley for freshness and color. And just like that, your salt and pepper shrimp is ready to serve. Take a bite, you should hear the crunch immediately. The coating is crispy but not heavy. The shrimp inside is juicy and sweet. And the salt and pepper seasoning brings everything together. That little tingle from the Sichuan peppercorn keeps you going back for more. This is the kind of dish you can serve as a snack, an appetizer, or even as part of a large meal. And it will disappear fast. Now let's see the key points recap. Number 1. Marinate the shrimp with ginger, wine, soy sauce, salt, and pepper to season and remove any fishiness. Number 2. Egg cornstarch batter gives a light, crisp shell that seals in the juices. Number 3. Fry twice. First until golden, then again for just 1 minute to lock in extra crunch. Number 4. Season while hot so the salt and pepper mix sticks beautifully. Number 5. Serve immediately for the best texture, crispy outside and tender inside. And that's it, restaurant-style salt and pepper shrimp made in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy cooking!